Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a professional Shopify page. So first of all you have to come to the shopify.com, and once you come to the shopify.com your task will be pretty simple. I hope you already logged in your Shopify store. Okay, so once you logged in, your next task will be pretty simple and straightforward. It's pretty simple, meaning it's very simple. So this is my one product store. I have prepared the description, image generation, image photography using AI and everything I have done. So from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to literally click the online store. This is just an example store so that I can actually show people so that they can learn. Okay, and then also every single day I'm trying to create so that I can keep learning every single day. That's my main goal. Okay, so for this one I'm going to use the tone theme. So I'm going to remove all the current tone theme. I'm going to totally delete it, or I'm going to go to the edit theme and I'm going to delete all the current section whatever I have. Okay, so let's click over here. Let's right click, delete. Okay, so right now I'm going to organize my section, and then I will keep this like change the color first. So I want to change the color. It will be like totally white background, and today I will use the white plus black background for my brand store. So let's go back, and then after that I'm going to click the section and click the next section. So before I'm moving forward, I want to tell you I want to create the hero section using AI. That's really depend on me. So anyone want to create a custom section on whatever it is, they need to write a prompt on over here. They can create the section. Okay, so I'm not gonna do anything on over there. So let's do this section. So first of all, I'm gonna go to the I need the image banner, and this is my section. So for now, let's delete this one. So first of all, I will keep the image banner. Then I will keep all of my collection product. Collection list, whatever, like since this is one product store, so we should not do anything else. Just I'm going to show you how you can actually build by yourself. Okay, so this is all about the layout, and let's get the next section, which is like the then I will keep all of the feature product. Okay, so I want to highlight specifically something like, for example, best selling product, and then after that I want to keep like image with text to explain a little bit about your brand so that people can understand. Okay, so add the image with text. So if you don't find anything, so you can literally like okay, image text here. So and then once the image text will be done, at this point I will move to the next one, which is there have a lot of section. I want to keep this one, like I talk about a brand, and then also at the end I will keep the FAQs. So there are a multi-column. I will explain a little bit more about. You can from this both two section you should keep only one. So let's keep this one. Let's cut this one, and I will keep only this one. Then at the bottom I will like multi-column, and then also FAQ. I will keep the FAQ. Then I will keep the like email subscriber. Okay, email sign up. So that's it. That is my layout for this specific like generic store. So you have like 4 to 5 store or like 5 product, then you can go ahead and then you can actually use this one. Okay, so I hope you understand about the layout for this one. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm not gonna go ahead with that. Just if you create the multiple vendor store or multi store, that I could show you. Okay, so let's start this one. So let's delete this one, and for now I'm not gonna do anything on over here. Let's delete this all the section that I have just show. I just show you just for example if you create a multi-banner store. So for this is like click the image, and I'm gonna go to the banner creation. I'm gonna go to the Canva. So you have to go to the Canva. So once you come to the Canva, you might take the free plan. So I'm gonna click continue with my email. So once that will be done, maybe it actually asks me for the verification code. I'm gonna go to, oh no, it's still done. Okay, so from here what I'm gonna click the custom size, and then I will give the email banner size. After giving to the banner size, control 20, and once it's done, let's click the create store, and let's see the home page of the banner, like home page of the. So I'm gonna download a little bit image. So let's click this image. So no, we cannot go from here. So let's click the save option for now, and let's go back. And once I come to the like link expert, so once I come to the go back, and then once I come, and then I will click the content, and I will go to the file, and once I come into over here, my task will be pretty simple. Let's click the image, and I will just download it. Okay, pretty simple, not very complicated stuff, pretty simple. So let's click the download, and then you can give the alt text by generating the Shopify suggested AI alt text. So let's click the save. Okay, once that will be done, what I'm gonna go to the Canva, click the upload, click the file, and I will select this one, and I'm going to select this one also, right click and set it back down. So it's like just to show the product. Okay, so I know it's not very good, just I'm trying to show you how you can highlight your product, pretty simple. So once you do that, you can actually add the text whatever you want. You can actually add the overlay, or you can download more images from your store. So let's download this one. Let's click the download, then go to the file, upload, and once you've done that, so let's click the download. It didn't come here. You can drag and drop here, so it will upload here. So what I'm gonna click right click reflex. Okay, it's like a 2V. Okay, so what I'm gonna click this bottom one, like this one, so that people exactly see like someone actually wearing our product. Okay, that's the main thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the download. So we can do it more better, but just only for show you. So whenever you come to my website, then you contact me, then we will make it more better. Okay, So that's it. So once I have done that, let's click on over here and select the image and click the add file. And once you done that, let's click the file. I'm gonna select from here. Just what I'm trying to show. Just I'm trying to show you the process, okay, so that you can actually understand how this is work. So let's click the add. So our image will be add here. So I'm gonna click the add up to image. So add the add up to image. I get up to image. So it will be adjusted up to our image. So and I'm gonna remove the container like the white box. And also I'm gonna keep like my text will be like a white, and I should create the schema. So let's go to the next, this one, background color white, and then also text color will be white, and sub button will be this color. Okay, let's select this one. Once I select, and then I will change the just schema. Okay, let's select the two. Our image have been changed, and if I click on over here, as you can see here, like overlay, I will give the overlay. So to give the overlay, there should have the option container, and then also overlay. Let's find out the options, theme settings. So there is no option for the overlay, maybe there is no option. So in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come to the elements, click the shape, and then after coming to that, I will select this one, and then I will make it bigger, something like that. Okay, once I done that, I'm gonna scroll down and then click on over here, click here, black, and opacity. I'm gonna come to the opacity, like make it a little bit so that our text should be well. That's my main goal. So guys, today this is my first part, just how you can set up the banner, and then how you can set up the color and everything is stuff. Okay, let's click this select and click that file, and from here I'm gonna select this one. Now whenever the text I will show here, now you will see the looks will be very good, and text will highlight very well. So every single I will give little short tutorials so that every people can understand how this works. So today I have given just this video was just only for tips, so that's the main reason. So hope you found this video helpful. So if you really like this video, please subscribe. And by the way, last thing I want to show you as a tip, so how you can move this text left, bottom, top, right. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on the bottom center or middle center, left center. So I'm going to keep the middle left, right. It will be, I will keep the middle left. Okay, so it will be this side, it will come to this side, and then text alignment will be the left. Now as you can see, this looks very good. So this way our customer will see. And for the responsive, I will create the another image for the mobile version, and the next part I will show you this. So your task will be this one, like go ahead and play with it, and then you will understand everything. So thank you for watching this video so far, and by the way, please subscribe my channel, and in future any type of content you're looking for this kind of short tips, how you can set up the banner and everything, how you can organize, and then I will show you. So it will be part by part, and then you will understand a lot of things. So again guys, thank you for watching.